Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. I'm Andrew, and though it seems awfully hard for me to believe, the 1-year anniversary of my channel on YouTube is fast approaching. I posted my first video on March 15th, 2020, right at the start of the first lockdown for the coronavirus here in Switzerland. To mark that occasion, I'm calling on my YouTube friends, and it's now a global conglomeration of people from more than 50 countries to join me in an invitational build-off. The theme is Porsche, which is my favorite marque. You can pick any model in any size from any maker: Hot Wheels, Maisto, Matchbox, Siku. It can be a cabriolet or a race car, a classic or modern. You can do a straight-up restoration, or you can chop it. You can customize it, you can Gasland it out, you decide. It's just got to be a Porsche, because there is no substitute. I'm promoting this as the biggest diecast giveaway ever, because every participant has to give their finished car away. You're on your honor. This is what I do with all of my builds. I don't have any prizes to give away, sorry. There's no draw, it's just to nudge you to pay it forward this time. I'm also pretty close to hitting 1,000 subs. That might happen at about the same time as the anniversary. That would be cool. The upload date is March 13th. Feel like celebrating with me? Spread the word and help me out, okay? Like and share this video. Just leave a comment here and let me know that you're in. I'll drop some more reminders as we approach the date. Thanks everyone. I sure have enjoyed connecting with so many new online friends. If you consider yourself one of them, then I hope you'll join me in this very special invitational. It's coffee time.